it going? This is Landry Black, and today I'll do a video just giving you some tips. And these are basic, but once again, basic doesn't mean easy. And I just thought I would go over the basics because I've been getting people coming to me and they're interested in Paxful just in general, and that's great. I hope more people do it because in the economic times we have going on, a side hustle is the best way to just make it normally right now in life. So I thought I'd go ahead and break down a lot of the basics and a lot of the things I wish I knew from the beginning. But before we get started, here are some ways you can reach out to me. Email paxfultradingtips@gmail.com. Discord, there it is. Guys, send a friend request and message your question. I tend to delete quickly if no response from you within about 24 hours. So just keep that in mind. YouTube comments, I rarely check these, but please do leave comments. It helps me to know what subjects you guys are interested in. And also number 4, for more info on services available, please guys, make sure you're checking out that link in the description. I'll leave it there. That's where you can check out all of the methods I have going on. And go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel to receive updates on new videos like this one. And let's go ahead and get into this quick video. So things I wish I knew when I first started. This is the number one rule I tell everyone who I've helped, and also the number one rule I had to learn the hard way when it comes to trading on Paxful. And that rule is that every trade does not deserve your attention or your hard-earned income. So let's get into that. Here are the things that are going to cause you to ignore my advice. And if I was you, I would take this advice, but do with it what you will. But I have a few reasons why you would ignore me, and they're very tempting. Number 1, waiting for hours and you have no trades. And guys, I'm experiencing that right now. A few of the accounts that I have set up and things like that, I'm even waiting on there. I have certain trades I want to do and I'm waiting for a very long time. Even some people who are trading just Walmart or Amazon, but for sure you're going to experience this when you're doing One Vanilla or Visa MasterCard or anything like that. You are going to be waiting for hours. You might even wait an entire day and not get anything. But guys, I will tell you this, slowly but surely the trades will start to come in. But remember, not all of them are worth it. And we're going to get into that on other videos. But this one, I'm just telling you right now the reasons why these trades aren't so great. Number 2, you're thinking of the end too much. See, you're going to take that first trade that comes in, and the guy might be bad. And guys, I am saying this from the point of view that the first trade you get is just horrible. The guy's history is all messed up. He has negative comments all over the place. He's done 2 trades in a year. He just started that week of trading. Guys, you are the one with the prize. You are the prize, okay? There are a lot of people overseas and all of that who are logging on to Paxful and they are creating fake accounts to just take whatever you have, and then they're going to make another one and another one and another one. So I'm telling you, you are the prize. Stop thinking of the end too much. Stop thinking, if I don't take this one guy's trade, I'm never going to get this nice car I want and all of these things, right? So stop thinking of the end too much. It's one trade at a time. Let's just start there. Number 3, you have bills you need to pay tomorrow. Guys, don't start Paxful right now on your last dime and tell yourself, I'm really going to make a business out of this. I'm just going to use the rent money. Don't do that. This is a side hustle. Always treat this as a side hustle first before you make it your income, things like that. I don't need to go ahead and tell you what every entrepreneur tells you, minimize your living expenses and then try to save up a few months of doing this and all of that, and then you can quit your job, yada, yada, yada. I'm not here to do that, but I am going to just tell you basic advice. Do not start Paxful as if it was your main source of income today. It can be your main source of income, but guys, if you can't follow this rule, it's never going to be your main source of income, okay? Again, I'm telling you this one main piece of advice, that not every trade is worth your while, based on the fact that it's a guy that has all these red flags that you're just going to ignore. Number 4, the guy, and by the way, it's mainly guys on here. You might see someone with the female's picture on there or some nasty porn picture or something like that, whatever it is. You're not trading with that person, okay? So for all you simps out there, just don't do it. Don't be use the right head on your shoulders and not the other one, okay? The guy seems genuine, and that's why you think you have to do the trade with him. Hey, even though he just started this week, he has 0 trades, he sure as hell wants to trade $500 gift card today, right now with me. He seems nice. He's calling me friend. He's calling me bro. He tells me he has a lot more cards, and we'll get into that later. Guys, just understand that a lot of these people aren't your friends on here, okay? You got to treat it like a business. Set some boundaries. And number 5, Landry is too extreme. It can't be that bad. Guys, I have seen it all. I've experienced it all. I've been on the phone with countless number of people who have told me, "Hey man, I got ripped off. I lost this account. Oh, my PayPal got shut down. Oh, my Stripe doesn't exist anymore. Oh, this got messed up. I'm banned off of Amazon. I have this going on." Man, guys, look, basics the basics win ball games, right? The fundamentals win ball games. I'm going to say it over and over again. It may not be pretty in the beginning, but eventually, guys, you're going to live a life of just stress free from all the drama out there in the workforce, because after all, you see the way the dollar is going right now in America and all of that. So, just if you're going to give this a try, I want you guys to give it a try the right way, okay? So don't rush into every trade thinking you have to take it because you have been experiencing one of these 5 things. Now, I'm going to give you some good things that you should do. Number 1, I want you to go and watch the rest of my videos. I have tons of videos on this channel. I want you to check out all the tips that I have suggested on ways to actually increase your chances at good trades. I've even made playlists of them, so go ahead and check those out. I'm going to link some more videos in the description for you to check out that might help you with this whole cause of what happens if you're waiting too long and all of that and what to look for. In the meantime, if you guys want to really push forward and advance in this, shameless plug here, Beginners Paxful trading method right here. Beginners members program. Guys, I have 4 proven methods inside of this program right now. Not only do I have 4 methods, I have other videos that I don't have in my YouTube that help you out. I have more methods in there than 4, but I'm going to say 4 for sure that I've marked completely. As you can see, I ramble a lot, so I'm sure I've just blurted out like 3 or 4 more methods inside of that program. Again, it's the price is right there. Guys, it's trust me, for the amount that I give you and everything back, it's nothing. You're for sure going to make your money back, and pretty much all of the guys that I've ever had inside there have moved on and bought the advanced methods because they've made money off of that. I just want to get you in the door, or ignore all of this and continue to watch all my free content on my YouTube. It's great, guys. I just want to see you succeed. So again, here are the different ways to contact me. Just reach out to me on these channels, email, Discord. Again, there's my website. Guys, again, like and subscribe to my channel to receive updates on new videos like this one, and I will definitely, absolutely see you on the next video. You guys have a great night.